Are you tired of spending endless hours on boring, repetitive tasks? Well, what if I told you that just a few AI tools could give you back over 10 hours of your week, every week? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that are dominating 2025 and can help you work smarter, not harder. Stay with me, because these tools might just change how you work forever. Welcome to NextGen Tools, your guide to the future of productivity and automation. If you're looking to simplify your digital life with the smartest tools on the planet, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Tool number 1 is NotionAI. Notion has always been known as the all-in-one workspace, but with its built-in AI assistant, it's now your second brain. Imagine this: you're writing project proposals, blog posts, meeting notes, or lesson plans. Instead of starting from scratch, NotionAI generates outlines, rewrites content, summarizes long text, and even brainstorms ideas for you. Use it for automating note-taking, writing clean, professional content, summarizing long documents in seconds. Time saved, up to 2 to 3 hours per week, just from faster writing and organization. Next up is ChatGPT CustomGPTs. This goes beyond the normal ChatGPT. Now, you can build your own personalized AI assistant without coding. Need a customer support chatbot, a legal document reviewer, a YouTube script writer like this one? Just set the instructions and boom, you've got a tool that works exactly how you want it to. Perfect for entrepreneurs, content creators, freelancers, busy professionals. Time saved easily 2+ hours every week, especially for research and writing. Number 3 on our list is Descript. If you're a video or podcast creator, this tool is a game changer. Descript lets you edit video and audio by editing text. You can cut out filler words like and automatically. It also offers AI voice cloning, transcription, screen recording, and even background removal. No more struggling with complex video editors. Time saved, around 2 to 4 hours per project, depending on your workflow. Coming in at number 4 is Fireflies.ai. This AI assistant joins your meetings on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, and automatically takes detailed notes while you talk. It highlights action items, organizes everything by topic, and syncs across your CRM or project tools. This is your virtual secretary, without the paycheck. Time saved. At least 1-2 hours per week spent on writing, reviewing, or re-listening to meetings. Last but not least, Opus Clip. It uses AI to turn long-form videos into viral short clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Upload a video, and in seconds, it finds the most engaging moments, adds dynamic captions, jump cuts, and zooms, all automatically. Great for content repurposing without a video editor. Time saved, around 3 to 5 hours per week, depending on how much content you repurpose. Let's do a quick recap of today's AI time savers. NotionAI. Write and organize with ease. ChatGPT CustomGPTs. Build your personal AI assistant Descript. Edit videos and podcasts like Magic Fireflies.ai. Auto note-taking for your meetings. Opus Clip. Create short videos from long ones in seconds. Together, these tools can easily save you over 10 hours every week. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss more weekly AI tool breakdowns. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I reply to every single one. And until next time, stay smart, stay productive, stay NextGen.